I can't travel, I can't walk with this luggage. Like, okay, please give it to me, like he asked. And he took that luggage and he walked till where, I mean, that man was, going to stay in the guest house. He dropped him and he went to another place. And after getting ready, the guest speaker who is coming to deliver the lecture went to the venue to address. Another fellow also, after getting ready from the guest house, he too has reached and sat in the audience. Then the guest who came, that another fellow has no idea. He is the man who is going to deliver the lecture. Like, then he came onto the dais and started addressing. That time he came to know, oh, a man who carried my luggage. A man who carried my luggage seems to be the guest who is going to address. Like, I have done a foolish thing, like he was feeling for himself. Later he came to know that great man who carried the luggage of the other traveler, other passenger, and dropped him into the guest house, and who went and got ready and again to address the gathering of the day is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So after coming to know that, he came to know, oh, he is the great educationist. This is the education what we mean like. So that spirit what we see in Professor Raghuramulu Garu all the time. Because education in the sense not that feeling so high up so many of my youngsters sometimes. No, education is such a great instrument where it is going to help us to mold our own personalities, which we are lacking among the youngsters. Like, if that is so, 8 years of the great professor in our midst today, Professor Charugaru, you young generation has no idea how much power he was having when he was the teacher in this department. Even the same power he's having, he's being a teacher who has so much of the efforts put in the profession. That is the reason people are inviting him into, and where he is touring, the globe today. That is what I mean. A man just finishing or just coming up, just entering into the university is not enough to consider himself as a great teacher like. We are just not just partial, just this much of the things which we are. But my appeal to all youngsters, we have to take such a great teacher as a role model. We are telling so high about the Professor Raghuramulu Garu, but how many of you have taken him as a great role model? Please tell me. It is a rare opportunity to have such a great teacher in the department, you believe. But see, in some other departments, never we see such a great teacher where juniors has to take him as a model. Like. But you are lucky that great teacher is working with you all the time, and where you can assume him as a great role model. Some of my colleagues are feeling the loss of where we are losing the great teacher. Like, I tell you one thing, like, after moving along with the Lord Buddha, he is a disciple. All the time Buddha is being followed by his disciple. Under a 5-day Buddha started departing from all his disciple. Under a disciple వచ్చి ఏడ్చుకుంటా నువ్వు లేకుంటే నీ పక్కన ఏమన్నాడట. ఆయన చాలా కోపం వచ్చిందట. You fellow all the time moving along with me like. For all these years you have not constructed your personality like. You have not learned the subject, you have learned the things like going on. I am feeling so pity of you like he started abusing his disciple. It is a rare opportunity to us. All the days we are moving as great teachers all the time. But it is a great time to us to learn from the teachers who are going to get superannuation. Not a student lesson into it, but just that is what we say. ఒక బాగా learned man ఏమంటే మామూలుగా ఆయన చెప్తున్నది వింటుంటే కూడా it seems to be like the breeze of summer, a sea breeze. By sitting with the great learned teacher, listening to him just interacting, conversing with the great teacher, it is going to be considered as sea breeze in the summer like. So such a great teacher was working here. Then it is a great time to all of us to have exchanged things like in the various aspects of the subject, where we can get so much of the benefit from the teacher who was having so much of the knowledge for that matter. So that it is, of course, we all has to together request the Raghuramulu Garu to look back and also, if possible, render service to this department where he has rendered 3.5 years of service life. It is not that easy to cultivate, grow like what Professor Raghuramulu garu. We know what is the level of ours at present. We also know the great level of Professor Raghuramulu garu. Do we think that without any efforts that he might have grown to such a great level? Never it is going to be there. If you are really interested to grow like what else the great teachers in the department. If you are going to put efforts, with the sincere efforts, if not, what else they have put like just at least to some extent what they have done in their career. Certainly, I know that there are great scientists in this department. There are committed scientists in this department. There is no dispute. Not in this department, all the departments of my university for that matter. I am very happy otherwise. But only thing is, of course, almost all the very beginning generation has gone already. Then another generation is going to, get exhausted by next year also. Then another generation, another 2-3 years, and the remaining is for all my faculty members just entered into recent past into this university service. So do we all, do the young generation who came into this service are going to keep quiet just looking into the figures of the great teachers who, went from this department like, or this university like? No. You have to take them, look at their portraits, study that. That's a great teacher. So that is what I mean. Just one man happened to the Rishi, asked him to find the truth. Rishi garu naaku truth etta dorukutundo cheppalannata. Then the Rishi took that man along with him, asked him to do various works. Neelu todu, kattelu gottu, borlu todu, annam undu annata. The man who happened along with the Rishi asked to do all these things like. That fellow is interested to find the truth. I came to find the truth but not employment అన్నాడు. నువ్వు చెప్పేది పరీక్ష చేయడానికి రాలేదు నేను, జీతం లేక రాలేదు నేను, నాకు కావాల్సింది సత్యం ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతుందని వచ్చినా అన్నాడట. అంటే ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ ఆల్